Three Manipur-based Hmar militants were killed in a fierce encounter with security forces in Assam's Cachar district late yesterday. The incident occurred in the Bhuvan Hills on the Assam to Mizoram border. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma posted on his X account that in an early morning operation, Cachar police killed three Hmar militants from Assam and neighboring Manipur. Police also seized 2 AK rifles, 1 other rifle and 1 pistol. As per police sources, the Cachar district police received an input regarding the presence of a group of Kuki-Zo Hmar militants in the specific area, and the group of militants were planning an attack inside Assam territory. The probable target was the Meitei people who are taking shelter in Cachar district from Jiribam district due to the prevailing unrest. According to police report, a police team arrested 3 militants near Dhalai Ganga Nagar, Part 6, while on way towards Bhuvan Hills in an auto rickshaw with weapons yesterday. The arrested militants have been identified as Lalhui Gawi Hmar, aged 21 years, son of Larhem Shang Hmar of K. Bethel Bupanghal Dilkush, under Lakhipur police station. Lal Bikun Hmar, aged 33 years, son of Lal Thabel Hmar of K. Bethel Bubankhal Dilkush, under Lakhipur police station, and Joshua, aged 35 years, son of Thiangming Thang of Sanvoni Lailak, under Tipaimuk subdivision in Churachandpur district. The operation was led by Superintendent of Police Nomal Mahata. The arrested militants were later taken to Bhuvan Hills area today morning in search of other rebels. During the operation, other militants hiding in the hills opened a fire, prompting the police to retaliate. The gun battle, which more than an hour, while 3 policemen also sustained bullet injuries, and the vehicle of Cachar police also damaged in the process. All the injured have been admitted to Silchar Medical College and Hospital for treatment. Cachar Superintendent of Police Numal Mehta and other senior officials rushed to the spot. Meanwhile, the residents of Cachar told SKTV News that the militants have been carrying out extortion at various areas and heard sounds of firing. Following the incidents, Assam police were taking position in suspicious areas.